For this motion tracking tutorial, we are going to use this video. As you can see, it's just somebody who is running from the right side to the left side. Starting with text to follow this person, we are just adding some text right here. Let's call it runner. Adjust it as you need it and place it somewhere you want to have it. Let's put it right here. And after this, all you need to do is go into the tracking tab right here. Select motion tracking and then adjust the size of this yellow window and place it around the person or object you want to track. Deactivate, toggle off these two right here and then just click on start. Wait a few seconds until it's applying the motion tracking and then click on play to see the result. If it's not working right away or not like you wish to, you can adjust the window and try again. Just to show you that it's working exactly the same with stickers and images, I'm gonna show you the same process here. So exactly the same, going to the tracking tab, select tracking motion, adjust the yellow window and then just press start. And if you just want to make some camera tracking to the person itself, you can just add some text, type in a minus and put it right to the center of this video frame. Then move the cursor line to the beginning to the left side. And then all you need to do is starting keyframing. It means you are going to click on keyframe right here, move the whole video so the person is behind this minus you just created, change the cursor line inside of the timeline each time and add another keyframe. And when you are doing this, and every keyframe needs a new position with your video, so follow the minus with your person or object and keyframe after keyframe, position after position. You are creating some kind of motion tracking exactly for the person or object you are following. The way of keyframing you can also use for the text, emojis or images we created which have been followed this person. This way it's even free and not a pro version feature. Thanks for watching.